Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to use the GoHighLevel reputation feature to manage some new reviews that we just got for our cleaning business. So I am in GoHighLevel and I'm in the reputation tab, and we just got, looks like 3 reviews in the last couple days. And so I can either respond to these people manually or use the AI reply feature. I really like the AI reply feature. It's quick, it's professional. We've kind of trained the conversation AI in GoHighLevel on our business and everything about our business. So it's pretty accurate. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it a try and see what happens. So this one is letting us know that our technician did a great job on a 16-year-old car and that we have everything that we need. It was great attention to detail and skills for problem solving. That's great. We also are a team. Mark is a partner in the business, but also our main technician. So we like to just make it sound like it's a team effort. So I'm going to say thank you, Arlie, for the kind review. We're so glad that we could bring your car back to looking like new. Appreciate you noting the convenience of the fully equipped of our fully equipped van. We look forward to helping you again or helping you again soon. Okay, so took some editing there to make it sound a little bit more like us, but actually spoke to Mark and they had a really pleasant interaction. So I'm just gonna go ahead and send that there. That took maybe a minute. So pretty good. Here's another one from Connor. Restored my car to its former glory. Great people with fantastic vehicle care. So we just always want to give people a response, even if it's a short review. Look forward to helping you and assisting any friends you can send our way. Thank you for the review. And thank you for the kind review, Connor. Looking forward to helping you or your family or friends soon. And soon. We're just going to leave this one short. It's a short review, so it's a short response. Okay, I got interior detail today, and Mark did a great job. I was very happy with helping the car. It looks so good. I would definitely recommend to all. So that's hard rat. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. We're thrilled. Mark did a great job on the interior detail, and the car looks so clean. Appreciate your recommendation. Look forward to serving again. Great. And that's pretty much it. So I just responded to 3 reviews in less than 5 minutes, and now we're up to 98 reviews. So yeah, looking forward to celebrating 100 reviews soon. Stay tuned for that one.